Good morning, students. This is your GK class. Today we are going to discuss a topic, basic life skills. This is your first chapter. First of all, we have to know what are the basic life skills. The basic life skills are very important to learn in childhood as they help us to do the daily task more efficiently and easily. The term life skill refers to the skills you need to make the most out of life. Any skill that is useful in your life can be considered a life skill, like tying your shoelaces, swimming, driving a car, and using a computer. For most people, useful life skills. Broadly speaking, the term life skill is usually used for any of the skills needed to deal well and effectively with the challenges of life. There are so many important life skills, but it is also important to remember that you have been developing these skills since you were born. Continuing to learn and grow is only an ongoing part of that process. In between, another question can come into our mind: why we need life skills? So, here is the answer. As children develop, their life begins to change. Adolescents means youngsters and teenagers may develop a variety of life skills to prepare them to face challenges, take up family responsibility, make decisions, and think about what they want to be in the future. Life skills education addresses these issues for the benefit of the individual and society at large. Life skills equip adolescents with knowledge and attitudes that should lead to the requirement behavior. Here is some types of skills also. These are individual life skills, social skills, and effective decision making skills. Okay. Now we have to know also what are the sources of life skills. The first source is family. Parents, guardians, and other relatives are primary source from whom we learn different life skills. Second one is neighbors. We learn the different ways that people live from our neighbors. Good neighbors help us to behave well. Third one is friends. Friends help us to acquire various life skills. Exchanging good ideas with friends helps to mold us into well-behaved individuals. The fourth one, school. The good education we get at school enables us to develop skill for life. Society. The way people live in the society allows an individual to learn what is expected of him or her and how he or she should behave in different circumstances. Religion, sixth one. Good religion teachings help to get skills which enable us to live harmoniously in society. Note. Last but very important life skill is the ability and willingness to learn. It means learning is most important. By learning new skills, we increase our understanding of the world around us and equip ourselves with the tools we need to live a more productive and fulfilling life, finding ways to cope with the challenges that life inevitably throws at us. Most people associate learning with the formal education, but learning can and should be a lifelong process that enhance our understanding of the world and improve the quality of our life. Okay, understand? Now we do the exercise related to topic. So here is the exercise. We have to put tick on the correct act and cross on the wrong ones. The first one is, a boy is damaging the seat of a bus. Put a cross. A man reduces the speed of a car when he reaches near a school. Exactly true. My friend shows me his answer copy to help me during an exam. No, wrong one. Sonu was offered a candy by a stranger, but he did not accept it. Very good. Correct. I make fun of Lata because she got lesser mark than me. Very bad. Wrong. Sanjana makes a list before going out for shopping. Very good. Save time. Rajat is using the hammer on his own without any elder's help. Wrong act. I broke a vase at my home. When my mother asked me, I accepted my mistake. Very good. So, here is the exercise you have to do in your book.